Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today, guys, I'm going to react on another music video, and it's actually recommended to me like yesterday. And it's I was told to react to Lim Shik B2B new song Lamar. Oh, I'm so excited about it. I know that Shik is, like the father of B2B. He is really a talented producer and a composer, lyricist. I'm really so excited about this new song of him, and I'm just so excited about what it is all about. So I think I'm gonna watch it in 1 decade. Let's go, guys! I'm so excited. Okay. Whoa, whoa! This is. The what's this? The baritone voice of Hyunshik is really something. The depth of his voice is really something. It really gives you something like it is so heavy. Okay, so first off, it's a ballad, yeah, and they know that, and I just don't know what it is all about. Lamar is, I think that's a Spanish word or something. Spanish phrase.
더 깊이 고독한 바다에
Okay, so I'm not gonna, because there's no subtitle in here, there's no English subtitle, so it's impossible for me to actually understand the lyrics. So I'm just gonna focus on his voice and the video
홀로 빠져들어 아름다웠던
It's actually a nice view.
파란
I'm
빛도
actually reminded of Music Travel Love. You know that the twins, having that kind of. Whoa,
깜깜한
that's so
저
great.
어둠에
He's doing a scuba
흐릿하게
diving.
번져만 가
Oh, that killed me.
여기 차갑고 깊은 어딘가 사라져
Not to mention the guitar. I love that. That's transparent.
내가 있을까
I love that.
눈물을 또 머금고 희망을 꼭 품고 가겠어 가라앉아 계속
That's hand reverb.
깊이
It
남아있던
has something
빛마저
like futuristic type of
아득하게
like that.
멀어져
Everything is polluted.
여기
Oh.
차갑고 깊은 어딘가 사라져버린 내가
I don't need
있을까
subtitle to this song.
눈물을 또 머금고 희망을 꼭 품고 가겠어
Love this. This is like a movie.
저기 까맣고 짙은 어딘가 잃어버렸던 내 꿈을
I
찾아
love that.
그날 미소
That is
짓는
so
날
creative. I love
기억고 저
what's that
찬란히
island?
빛나는 날 위에
I don't know who's the actor, but I think that is also him. Yeah.
걱정하지 마
It's like he's frustrated about life.
않는 바다니까
Love that. He has a concert underwater.
온전히 나 파란 빛이 내게로 와 속삭였어 근데 찾아낼 거야 언젠가
I love that scene.
쓰러져도 나를 믿으니까 고독이 또 밀려와
What's that? It's like, that's a pearl.
쓰여도 난 상관없어
Oh, got the pearl. What happened then? Ooh.
And I know I can go 기억고 더 찬란히 빛나는 날 위에
This is so powerful. Talking about the music video and his voice. Lim Shik. It's like an OST to a drama. I don't know. I love the what's that? Post script or something. He's thrown everything. I think he's healed already because of the pearl. Anyway, I love the hair of Yunchik in there. Ooh, that's so nice. Oh, special thanks to Ministry of Human Resources, Culture, Tourism, and Development. I think it has something to do with nature or something. He is like promoting something environmental. I just don't know. Anyway, that's Limian Shakes Lamar. I'm so impressed about how it is conveyed in the music video. I don't know the lyrics of this song, but talking about the quality of the directing of this, it's like in a movie. It's so creative. Like I love personally the melody of the song. Like it's really Yunshik's signature, right? Like he is really into deep emotive ballad, and he's not really going to give us something that is not impactful. So yeah, this is Lamar of Limian Shik, B2B Limian Shik. That is so great, guys. Thanks so much for actually recommending this music video to me. It's actually so recent. So I think it has something to do with an environmental something. So I just don't know. Anyway, thank you so much. I'm gonna watch other B2B videos in the next episode. For now, guys, again, bye bye.